No Fault Forward, it's a culture and an ethos as well as a strategy. So it's about having audit without having an auditor, making sure that the system, we are system driven to deliver the same level of high quality, irrespective of when we build and what we build. The training is on the screen, we can buddy training, we can build a boiler from one phase right through the next, but we have the consistency and development in our people, in our manufacturing system, that protects us. We don't rely on audit, we don't rely on checking because the system checks itself. The culmination of all of those No Fault Forward stages of production, they find their way to the customer. We make sure that we check each stage of production before it goes on to the next stage of production. We've trained our operators to build in a cellular manufacture where they would do 1.5 minutes worth of tasks, probably 2 tasks each, 3 minutes duration.
So what we're looking for is we want to have a situation where there's nothing that's going to cause any problem to the customer, the end customer and the installer. Anything that we find, we then document, we go back to the supplier and we make whatever modifications are appropriate.
This area is the sub-assembly area. We're currently building the water sets and the gas valves. It's all working on the No Fault Forward. So we're currently testing each part for soundness before we gradually put them into the boiler.
What it means is we can't pack a boiler off with the parts missing out the box. Things like the hardware pack, the installation packs, the actual instruction manual, so they're all barcoded. So in order to pack it in the box, he has to scan every single barcode. If he doesn't, then the actual printing system will not give him the data plate for the boiler. Well, it's important for the customer, obviously, when the boiler arrives, he wants to open it, the installer has made an appointment, he's at the premises, he wants to hang it on the wall, he wants everything in the box. He wants to open it, he's got his instructions, he's got his siphon, he's got his hardware packet, he's got his hanging bracket. Without those, it means he can't complete his installation on the day and he'd have to go back to the store, change it, or obviously call the call centre. So it's about No Fault Forward.
The No Fault Forward protects us from putting a bad boiler into the market. We don't have a discussion about Friday morning boilers or Monday morning boilers. Our boilers are the same whether you produce them, whenever you produce them, whatever skill level you use to build them with. So we remove that variability where everything is the same. It's always the same. This is your Model T Ford. We can build you consistency whenever we do it.